planning on the event of this extended weekend here, so we decided we'll drive to Tanjavur. We just came to Tanjavur, and the drive has been super peaceful and very good. Hardly any traffic, and that too being on the Pongal day, so there's barely any traffic that we could feel. As usual, I think it's the time that we do a room tour. So this is the room that I'm actually in it, but I'll still show you from the bed door. And this is Treebo. So this is Treebo that we have booked, and I'll just give you a room tour. They have a very good lobby here, and this is a hotel room number, that's 207. So with the door being opened, so what do we have here? So we have the good Treebo style, the bedroom, with usually the color schemes that you usually see in most of their Treebo branded hotels. A very good one, a good liner one. And then I do have a cupboard here, a very good interior bed. Okay, we do have multiple racks, but not any locker, and neither did we ask for anything, so that's totally fine. AC controller, and we have this chair here, a table, and then what do we get? We do have an electric kettle, we do have 2 mugs, and then 2 half-liter water bottle, and with the regular goodies, the tea, coffee, milk powder, and all the stuff. We do have a TV here, and then a full length mirror. I think my wife would be really happy with this. What else we have? Some drawers, and again a small cupboard. So that's pretty much with this. I think this should be a light, I believe. Yeah, it's a fancy light. And in the washroom, what else we have? So usually we would review. So it's very neat and clean, the washroom is, and we have the light. Oops, that doesn't seem to work. No issues. So we have the towel here, a shower, then the body wash and a shower, shampoo. And this is what it's a shower cap. Then here we have a toothbrush from the Treebo. 2 toothbrush, and then this is a shaving kit, and then this is a comb, and additionally we have a moisturizer. I think that's all that is available here. And yes, the room is good. I paid somewhere in 2,700, and with a good view. There is my car, which is parked there, and being a festival, so all the roads and everything is empty with greenery. And one of the best thing about this is, like, I was skeptical while I was booking this place that if there is any good place for car parking, since it's near the temple, and I was confused about that, and also wanted to see that how the room would be. But I think with the amount of car parking that they have and the quality of the room, I think this definitely is a good one. So this is once again this is Treebo's Orchid, which is near the temple, or the big temple in Tanjavur. It's probably about 4 to 5 kilometers from the Tanjavur or big temple. Hope you like the video of the room tour of this hotel, and in case you come here, please do stay and enjoy.